What is a confidential marriage and how does it work? My name is Rachel King. I'm a strategic litigator. I do not only family law litigation, but I do quite a bit of elder abuse, conservatorship, probate, and trust litigation. And confidential marriages can rear their ugly head at the most inopportune times. So what are they and how do they work? Well, if you have been married or you are married now, then you know in California you went and got a marriage license, and somewhere on that application it asked if you wanted your marriage to be confidential. Many people overlook that. They don't think twice, they just move on. But what does it mean to be confidential? When you ask for your marriage to be confidential, it means that there are no no searches that can show that you're married. It's confidential and only you and your spouse can go in and get a copy of the marriage license and find out if you're married. This can be used oftentimes with military or with young people when they're getting married. Maybe they don't want their family to know, or maybe older people if they're on a third or fourth or fifth marriage and they just don't want all of the peanut gallery coming in and talking. They can keep their marriage confidential. But we're seeing it now where the bad guys, maybe a caregiver or some other person is coming in. They're a bad guy in this case, and they are taking advantage, getting married to maybe somebody who has dementia or capacity is questionable, exercising undue influence, getting married. So they have marital rights, because in California, when you're married, you have lots of rights, and they're checking the confidential box so nobody knows about it and can find out about it until maybe after that person dies, and then bad guy comes in and grabs all of the stuff and claims all of the rights. It is hard under the law when this happens. So be aware of it, spread the word, and keep an eye out. My name is Rachel King. I am a strategic litigator, and I'm happy to answer your questions on TikTok. So send them over.